Welcome back. By now you must have understood that digital rupee, the digital avatar of paper currency issued by RBI, is easily exchangeable with cash. The only difference is that, to access digital rupee, one needs to download the digital rupee wallet application, which will enable the users to conduct transactions in the form of digital rupee or electronic tokens issued by the RBI. The whole process of using the digital rupee can be classified into three broad categories: issuing digital rupee, acquiring digital rupee, and using digital rupee. Easy, right? However, let us look at each step in a bit more detail for better understanding. The RBI will issue electronic tokens with the same denominations as the physical currency in circulation. The banks directly purchase the digital rupee tokens from RBI. The next step is acquiring digital rupee. Banks offer CBDC tokens via digital rupee wallets applications. Digital rupee tokens can be easily loaded from the wallet-linked bank account. Digital rupee can be transferred instantly to any digital rupee wallet user or to any merchant by scanning UPI QR code. The RBI ensures token security with cryptography, quantum computing resistant systems, and unique token numbers to prevent counterfeiting. The user will be able to recover his digital rupee wallet and the available wallet balance in the event of mobile devices change or loss. Finally, are you ready to make transactions? Let us look at the last step, which explains how you can make transactions using the digital rupee. To make transactions with the digital rupee, person to person, send money using phone number or contact. Enter amount or select denominations. Enter 6-digit wallet PIN. Digital rupee will be transferred instantly. To make transactions with the digital rupee, person to merchant, scan merchant QR. Enter amount or select denominations. Enter 6-digit wallet PIN. The payment will be done instantly. Redeeming the digital wallet. Send money from your digital wallet to your linked bank account. Choose redeem or similar options, select the bank account, and specify the amount you want to credit. So, what are you waiting for? Download your digital rupee wallet today.